In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to automate intake requests, a tutorial that's designed to streamline your workflow and save time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to create an intake project in Asana. To do this, simply click on the option labeled Plus New Project. From there, you can choose to either start with a blank project or select a request template. When naming your project, think of something descriptive like marketing request or IT support intake to ensure it's immediately recognizable. An important step in setting up your project is to add custom fields. These fields help categorize and prioritize the requests you receive. Examples might include fields for request type, priority, due date, and requester name. Custom fields provide clarity and ensure that all necessary information is captured in an organized manner. Next, we'll use forms to collect requests. Within your intake project, head over to the Customize menu and click on Add Form. This will allow you to build a form that includes fields for what do you need, deadline, department, and any attachments. Sharing the form link with your team or clients is straightforward. Every time someone fills out and submits the form, it automatically turns into a task within your intake project. This step is fantastic for ensuring that all requests are tracked systematically without losing any details in the shuffle. Now let's automate task assignment and organization. This part is crucial for minimizing manual work. Begin by opening your project and navigating to the Customize section. Then scroll down to the Rules section. You can add automation rules here, such as if the request type equals design, it automatically assigns the task to Sarah, or if the priority is set to high, the task gets added to the urgent section. There's even an option for automatically setting due dates when a form is submitted, for example, setting it 3 days later. This automation ensures every request is sorted, assigned, and tracked efficiently, practically eliminating the need for manual intervention. For even faster execution, take advantage of templates. Create task templates for common requests such as blog post request or software access. These templates can include subtasks, checklists, or attachments that are frequently repeated. When a new request comes in, rules can automatically apply the right template, speeding up the process further. Lastly, it's vital to track and report on requests. Utilize Asana's timeline or board view to visualize your team's workload effectively. Adding a dashboard can give you insights into the number of requests you receive each week, categorize them by type, and even measure the average turnaround time. Sharing this dashboard with stakeholders ensures transparency and keeps everyone on the same page. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Asana to automate your intake requests. By following these steps, your workflow becomes more efficient, allowing you to focus on what truly matters.